Right, Ebusuya mo akwaba biom Embraga na Insem TV eso. Ebusuya Sam George Sami Jemfi Honorable Eric Opoku Sam Kofu won omu obufu sin bibia na Captain Smart crowd mu asma men kan no. Ebusuya baba yi video bi a chitam sa video we very very important. If I cocoa price here eko so ye didi hu nkomo. Ne enko sa video number wi a e be di nkomo.
Honorable Tinka Panka 9,700 no. Send us a bit. In fact, Guniba no me can say a bina nyadia kran for 3,007. No for 6,000 no. Per bag. Because I think cocoa credit in the bag na a buying cotono. Bag anto bag back no. 60 million. Yes. A bona abroach because you need her. Mobile. Ah, unim. Honorable Winya no. Meba me choose yanya. Na kokoro ye dia na se kuafo dia.
Abana agba na mbom da mabani di ni tirimi ye zendodo. Da mabani ondwene kuafo mo ho. Da me pada me ka kira mo inde. President Mahama se men kan kira mo de. Oy nyame na adoma, NDC baba bem. Na ye ba bem akoko no ye botum papa bi ma akoma atomo yem. Na enye de yeru tumu keke fertilizer and yede bebe bio ye mama mu free cocoa akwan ye botwa ne free spray yede mama mu free.
So Speaker, today the prevailing price at the world market and the exchange rate means that Cocoa Board will be selling one bag of cocoa at 9,700 Ghana cedis at the international market. Right, Honorable Speaker, the cocoa farmer cannot be paid less than 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Old Ghana cedis, 60 million old Ghana cedis per bag. The payment of 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag is because cocoa farmers deserve the benefit of their hard labor.
And then you have some work or so.
But I don't know the question. Answer me.
See the price now.
Answer me.
When calling for and over the board be about 5,000 $50 per bag.
The weighted average FOB achieved by Cocoa Board was $2,600. So he says, we didn't get the 3,600 you're talking about. It's the average for August. No, we sold it ahead. We sold part. Then he says, we got $2,600. And we said, let's use common sense here. Assuming, let's grant him that is right. If you sold it for $2,600 per ton, and you convert it with the interbank rate at the time you open this cocoa season, which is 11.03, my sister, you get a figure which is totally different from the figure they have announced. Because after he said this, he went on to say, if you check the last paragraph of his statement, in response to President Mahama, the CEO said this: contrary to your assertion that the producer price of 1,308 per bag for the 2023-2024 season is paltry, the current producer price translates to 1,821 per ton, which is 70.03% of the gross FOB of 2,600. Okay. So if you got gross FOB of 2,600, and you're saying you gave the farmer 70.03, which is 1,821. My sister, if you convert that by the interbank rate at the time the cocoa season was open, 11.03, you will get the per ton price in cedis to be 20,080 pesos. 20,085. 20,085. If you divide 20,085 by 16 bags, you will get the per bag price to be 1,255. So how come the president announced a per bag price of 1,308? You see, it's very easy to detect lies. When a person is lying to you, the surest way to find out is when you see inconsistency.
The Cocoa Board chief executive has informed me that in August, they will announce the new cocoa producer price. And I can assure you, the price is going to be a very, very, very good price. So those of you who don't have cocoa farms, go and start looking for land and start planting cocoa.
Tia won nsema eye Honorable Eric Opoku kwatena eye onua TV samre no ekeka ye nsema to force kodi na parliament edi to dwa nsema sami Jamfi edi to dwa e wo Peace FM ende sankofo we my explanation say because the dollar has appreciated against the cedi, therefore scanner omoton dollar nemu no ayeketwa, so they can't give the farmers as they promised. Now they are giving us some excuses bia ebusesa nas now gene ho krana and to asu. They are giving us excuses out nas now gene ho and to asu, because this is not what you told us. Now these people are telling us that it is because of very funny, it's because of the dollar is down and the cedi is up, no. I don't see about, you know, let's do some calculations. Now, before this government, the ex-war government, NPP government, was buying cocoa for 3,100. That time cement in the bag, no, 42 euros a day, 40 euros a day, and then I mean the no was 105 cedis. For that time, no, with one cocoa bag, wait me out 29 bags of cement, and then so the same way, no, 41, you know, a year 130. So when there were 3,228 cedis, no, wait me out of 24 bags of cement. Show the other one, no, wait me out 29. This one wait me out 24. Meaning we lose to 5 cement. We lose to 5 cement. And some judge, Sami Jamfi, any finance minister to Folsom, current minister for Greek, Honorable Eric Opoku, MP for Isnafo South. All of a sudden, no, meaning say, Omokasa, say, nye you, say, Omanya problem or Omokasa moon. Send you, now, if I hear me by Captain Smart, also Omekasai. Almost say 50 and dra on Kasai. That should tell you the kind of people like in your wedding daily. It should tell you the kind of people are in your daily one mind. So who know who you be, then you like what do you question? Because the media houses now some boost the relevant questions now. Are they at all? And they are not asking any relevant questions again. They don't even care about you. Like, no, they don't even care about you. All they care about is what they will get. They are stomach journalists. The lives of Captain Smart, Johnny Hughes, Randy Abbey. And the Randy Abbey of Film TV, I work with CEO Cocoa Board. And now as a CEO, a man for business questions. Now go post here at you see how done a political way. And or yet Cocoa Board. I don't go mystery. Cocoa Board CEO will post the political way on it. Cocoa Board 4 page. See the kind of country that you are living in. It's no wonder sometimes some people just look at us and laugh at us because we are not serious. We are not serious as a country. And that's the reason why these people are the ones that are only there. Yeah. That's what they promise the blogger.